Today's video, I'll show you guys how to use the 100% save game to unlock everything in Just Case 3 instantly. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Go to Files tab and select Manual Download option and select Slow Download option, and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And now go to Documents folder, Square Enix folder, Just Case 3. Copy this save and paste it in another location. For example, I'm going to paste it in desktop and then go back, open the saves, random numbers, and open the saves, random numbers. Just drag and drop all these files inside in your save, guys. Select the replace the file, the destination, and just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, select the continue option and you have everything unlocked with core. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.